In this video, I'm going to show you how you can fix SteamVR error 499. First, open up your computer search and you want to search for graphics settings. Click on that option. Then you will add desktop app and you want to open up where your Steam is located. So it's going to be program files. Click on any folder here and just want to click on Steam and you will find Steam here. So click on Steam and you will add it. Once you have added Steam here, you can search for it. Then you will click on it, and here GPU preference, you want to set this to high performance. Okay, that's the first thing that you have to do. The second thing that you have to do is open up Steam here. I'm just going to open up Steam. Gonna click on Steam in the top left. Gonna go into settings. Then you want to choose downloads and you will click on clear cache. After you have done this, the last thing that you need to do is go into your library, find SteamVR, click on here, then properties, and make sure this is enabled. Enable the Steam overlay while in game. This should fix the issue. Hope this helps. Leave a like and sub. I'll see you next time.